Hey guys, it's Shar ASMR Shar. Excuse my voice, I've been sick, which is why I haven't really posted a lot lately. And I'm feeling a lot better now, but it sounds kind of like a Jersey housewife. Like the shows that I don't really watch, but anyway, I hope everyone's doing well, and I've been having a few rough couple of days, and it feels very refreshing to have this delicious rainstorm. I'm still in Virginia at my in-laws, and we're leaving to go back to Texas Saturday. I wanted to get a little bit of this beautiful cleansing rainstorm and thunderstorm. Just take a moment to breathe it in and imagine that the rain is washing away any worries, stress, and anxiety, replacing with its happy music of raindrops.